Okay, here we go. Yeah, who you asking? The one that doesn't have anything on it. So, okay, here we are. Yeah, right.
Yeah, you get a white one at 18.
I know. I know, right? I bought a. Well, you gave me a white one, I think, and I painted it yellow. I don't know if I ever bought one. Okay, here we go. White one, January 22nd. Is that right?
Yeah, no, 23rd today, I think.
23rd. All right, here we go. All repairs complete. Let's see if we can keep the wheels on today. Oh, the wind is coming that way. I'll go down this way. You know what? You remember how, who was it? Tony was saying you got Velcro on the tires? I don't have Velcro, but the tires weigh about a pound. So that holds it down. Okay, here we go. Whoa, it did a little dip there. What happened? Oh, that's not good. It's flying straight and true. That's good. Ah. I can feel the weight, man, on these tires big time, man.
You'd think putting these nice pads in, somebody would have feathered the edge a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to complain to the management. Yeah.
Wappa. Oh, wait. My hatch is coming off. I see it sticking up. No, I don't want to lose it. Bring it around. I'm going to cross and come back over here. I think. I think I am. Oh, it just fell off. Alright, I got to cross. Need another piece of tape. That piece of tape's worn out. Fun time.